Welcome to another Pit Stop Pit Tip. Today we're answering, why is my blinker blinking really fast? Well, the answer coming up. Have you been driving down the road and then all of a sudden you go to flick your blinker on and it just starts flashing rapidly? Well, that's an indication either one of your blinker bulbs is burnt out or has a short in it. Now, the easiest way to figure this out is to first turn your vehicle on, leave it in park, turn your blinker on one direction, walk around the outside of the vehicle and make sure the front and the back are both blinking. Now repeat this process for the other side. For whichever side is blinking fast, you should be able to determine whether it's the front or the rear blinker of that corner that's burnt out. Now, in the case of a rapid blinking blinker, if both sides of the front and the back are just blinking fast, you need to determine which one is possibly slightly dimmer than the other. And the reason why it's blinking fast is because there is a short in one of the bulbs. Now, again, you want to make sure that you check to see which one is dimmer than the other to determine which one needs to be replaced so that it's blinking at a normal rate. Now, if you're not sure how to replace the blinker on your vehicle, stop by and we can definitely help you with that, or stop by your local tire pros and they'll definitely be able to help you. Smash that like button because we always love the likes you guys give us on our videos. Subscribe below so you don't miss any of our new videos. Follow us on Facebook or our website, pitstopcarcare.com.